Guys, welcome back again to my channel Asamoski tutorial class. Please like and subscribe to our channel. I would like you to like this video. This video is very helpful for everybody. Okay, so far you are living in Nigeria or you are using MTN, this video will be helpful for you. Okay, now we want to teach you on how to buy huge amount of data using cheap amount of money. This is very simple. Okay, this teaching will help you to use 150 naira to buy 1.2 gig. Okay, here the code now is *344*2*1#. You send. You can use small amount of money and buy huge amount of data. Okay, so see it. If you want to buy 50 naira for 350 MB, this one will last for 7 days. If you want to buy 25 naira, if you want to use 25 naira and buy 250 MB, this one will last for 1 day. If you want to use 150 naira for 30 days and buy data of 1.2 gig, then another one is 500 naira to buy 4 gig. So let's try with this number 4. This is what I've been using. Okay, because of we delayed, so that's why the thing did not go. *44*2*1#. Remember to follow the rules. Okay, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You click on 4. So here, if you click on auto renew, the thing will be renewing every time you put 500 naira every time. But I will click on one off. You guys know about all these things. Okay, they say hello, activation of 4 gig 30 days bundle failed due to insufficient balance, because I don't have a lot of money. I don't have much of money in my main balance. So let me go and check my main balance first. Before you guys, let me check my main balance. Already I've bought this. Okay, I have only 34 naira. That's the reason. And if you can see, I have data balance 1.5. That's the one I bought yesterday. So I don't need to buy another one. But just like if you guys want to buy cheap data, you can click on *44*2*1#. That's or another way to get it is by this *44#. You click on number 2, then you click on number 1. That's another way. So this is it. So like and subscribe.